This video is about area of sectors. A sector is an area section of a circle, as the purple represents. The radius of a circle is 4 kilometers. What is the area of a sector bounded by a 45-degree arc? In order to find the area of a sector, we must use the area of a sector formula. The formula says that K is equal to M divided by 360 times A. This formula has two variables that we don't know at first, and we need to sub in the value. M is 45 degrees because we can look at the arc, and M represents the arc measure. A is the area of the circle. So therefore, we must find the area of the circle by using the area of the circle formula. The area of the circle formula states that the area of any circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. Looking at the diagram, we can see the radius is 4. So pi times 4 squared is 16 pi. Now that we know M, the measure of the arc, and A, the area of the circle, we can substitute them into the formula for the area of a sector. Substituting them in, we get K is equal to 16 pi times 45 over 360, because A is 16 pi and M is 45. So 16 pi over 1 times 45 over 360, we can cancel first, or we can multiply and then reduce, but we will get 2 pi. So the area of the sector is 2 pi square kilometers. In this problem, we are told that the radius of a circle is 9 kilometers. What is the area of a sector bound by a 180-degree arc? We are asked to give the exact answer in simplest form. In order to find the area of a sector, we must use the area of a sector formula. The formula says K is equal to M divided by 360 times A. M represents the measure of the arc. A represents the area of the circle. We are given M, which is 180 degrees, but we have to find A, the area of the circle. In order to find the area of the circle, we have to use the area of the circle formula, which says area is equal to pi times the radius squared. We are given that the radius is 9, so pi times 9 squared would be 81 pi. Now that we know the measure of the arc and the area of the circle, we can substitute them into the formula for the area of the sector. K is equal to A times M divided by 360, since A, the area of the circle, is 81 pi, and M, the measure of the arc, is 180. We get K is equal to 81 pi times 180 over 360. We can cancel and get the answer, or we can multiply 81 over 1 times 180 over 360 and get 81 over 2 pi. In this problem, the radius of a circle is 7 kilometers. What is the area of a sector bounded by a 180-degree arc? In order to find the area of a sector, we must use the area of a sector formula. The formula states that K is equal to M divided by 360 times A. M represents the measure of the arc, and A represents the area of the circle. So we must find the value for the variable A and we know the value for the variable m as 180. So to find the area of the circle, which is A, we use the area formula. The formula says that the area of a circle is equal to pi times its radius squared. The radius is given to us as 7. So therefore the area is equal to pi times 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. So that will be pi times 49, which is 49 pi. Now that we know the measure of the arc, 180 degrees, and the area of the circle, 49 pi, we can substitute them in to the formula for the area of a sector. 49 pi times 180 over 360 gives us 49 halves pi by either multiplying 49 over 1 times 180 over 360 or by reducing. The area of the sector is 49 halves pi square kilometers. The end. I hope this video helped you to understand how to find area of sectors. You can go to ixl.com for practice on this skill. I am your teacher, Maxine Wigfall. Content, ixl.com. Level L. Skill U.4. Topic, area of sectors.